Someone just asked me, does the detailer blade fit on the Wahl A-Lign? I definitely got to find out. These trimmers are $60 everywhere right now. Pro Styling Tools usually has a discount code. They are sold out right now, so I have to order from 614 Barber Supply. Let's see if it's true or not. Package! I'm gonna see if this fit on the Wahl A-Lign, and we'll see how that goes. I finally got a haircut. Finally got it on the trimmer, got the blade on. Looks like it works pretty good to me. Not too loud, they still feel strong. They feel real strong. It took a minute to zero gap it because the screws are so small on the inside of this blade. But we finally got it zero gap at the end of the day. It was not hitting right away out of the box. This specific blade you do have to zero gap. And I will try this tomorrow, so we'll see how this goes. Does the detailer blade fit on the all new Wahl A-Lign? The interesting thing about this trimmer is you can put a Wahl detailer blade on it, and it is actually a really dope trimmer when you do that. I took the Wahl A-Lign blade off and I replaced it with a brand new Wahl detailer blade, as you can see here, and it fit right away. I'm pretty sure everything is the same on this clipper as far as putting the blade on there. All you have to do is replace the blade. It's really easy. If you do purchase a brand new Wahl detailer blade, just make sure you zero gap it or push it up as close as you can because it will not be set right away. I purchased the gold one. It does come with black screws as well. I didn't really look at the packaging at first, but this is what I got. The battery in the Wahl A-Lign lasts longer than the detailer. It's just as powerful in my opinion. I think it's a great option. Right now, in almost every store I've checked, the Wahl A-Lign is $60. Then all you have to do is buy a Wahl detailer blade. This trimmer lasts longer than the detailer. It has updated technology. Everything about this seems like a better option. It is lighter. It fits in your hand a little bit better than the Wahl detailer. It just makes sense to me. The Wahl A-Lign also fits on the Wahl detailer dock. Would I put it on there? It is a little bit of a weird fit, but it does fit and it does work. For those of you who have the hi-viz trimmer, it fits very well on that dock. So if you have that dock, you can still use that dock with this trimmer. It fits perfect. As far as the A-Lign, I'll keep it in rotation. It's a nice trimmer. It still leaves sharp lines that definitely hit. I don't feel like they lack power. That's a lot of things that people were saying they lack power. I don't feel like they do at all. And you got a 3-hour battery. Who doesn't like that? That's it for this video. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know what y'all think. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.